Kim here with Little Biz Resources, and today let's look at why affiliate marketing is a good business model, plus how you can get started as an affiliate or a vendor. Let's just cover some quick terms and definitions. The vendor is the person, the people, or the company that owns and manages the product for sale. An affiliate is the person who promotes the vendor's products and makes a commission, typically once the product sells. The customer, the person who purchases the product. Now, each one of these has a role to play. You can see here, the vendor provides the product, the affiliate promotes the product, and the customer buys the product, right? So the affiliate's going to make money once the customer makes the purchase, and the vendor also makes money when the customer makes a purchase and they pay out to the affiliate. Now, the value to affiliates with affiliate marketing is kind of clear. You know, affiliates make money when there's a sale, but they also build their customer list by promoting products. You make money when you sell the products. Now, there are some products out there that offer payment for email signups or some other cost per action. They're called CPA or cost per action offers. Sometimes there's some other words used for CPA, but that's generally what it is. Sometimes those are separated out from affiliate offers, and sometimes they're included as affiliate offers for the definition. So just keep that in mind if you're thinking about different ways to become an affiliate. Now, one of the biggest values to an affiliate is that you do not have to have your own product. You do not offer customer service, and you have no technical support involvement, right? This is not your product. You're not supporting the product in any way. All you're doing is providing the information and basically recommending the product. Now, if you choose, you can add in offering your own products as a vendor. And you would already have a list built from offering affiliate products. So if you have opt-ins that you're bringing in and you're building your own email list, or if you have people who have bought through your links and you've captured those emails over time, you have a list and you could create a product and then promote it to them. So this is a huge potential value to affiliates who are interested in going beyond affiliate marketing. Now, the value to vendors, believe it or not, affiliate marketing is a significant value to vendors. Instead of hiring salespeople, you would utilize affiliates. Now, this alone is a huge savings in money, in training, in so many different things. Right now, some industries you need to have salespeople, but in industries where you are not required to, you should look at the potential of utilizing affiliates. In many cases, paying the affiliates, even at a 50% commission or 75% on the front end, is cheaper than running ads in a cold market, right? I mean, depending on your industry, of course, it could cost you quite a bit of money. Affiliates with good lists, so these are affiliates that maintain their lists, they have a good relationship with their lists. It's similar to tapping into word of mouth marketing. That's basically what you're doing. You're going to an affiliate and saying, hey, I have this product. Will you tell your list about it? And the affiliate looks at the product and says, yes, that matches my audience. Hey, I'm going to go ahead and promote it to them and recommend this product to them, right? Now, I do understand that this is not exactly how affiliate marketing works all the time, but this is one of the most significant values with affiliate marketing is to the vendor. Now, you also, as a vendor, can capture leads for free from affiliates. For example, let's say that you are going to run a webinar before you push them to a sales page, right? You could have people sign up for the webinar before you make the offer, and you're capturing those leads regardless of whether they make the purchase or not. So literally, the affiliates are sending you free traffic. As a vendor, you can also be an affiliate, right? You're not restricted. But you can, when you are an affiliate, you utilize your existing buyer list or your lead list, and you can now promote other people's products to them. As long as it matches, I would recommend. You wouldn't want to sell weight loss to somebody who's looking for, I don't know, weight gain, I guess. Who knows? So you can make money off your list and all of the affiliates marketing efforts as well. Being a vendor is a good place to be, but especially when you're a vendor and an affiliate. Now, the value to customers. Customers purchase from the vendor if they already have a relationship. For example, you know, I know somebody that I buy products from. Every time he sends me an email and says he has a new product coming out, I jump in there and buy it from him. Why? Because I like what he offers and I don't want to wait around for an affiliate to send me the link, right? So I just go and buy from him. Now, customers purchase through affiliates and love to know they get access to something that not everyone knows about. Okay, now I can't tell you how many times that I've found out about a product simply because somebody was promoting it to me, right? It wasn't in the normal methods of finding products. And I'm going, what? What is this product? I want this and I want to be able to promote this. And because I got an email from somebody telling me about it, that was an affiliate for the product. That's how I found out about it. So affiliates really do help spread the word of mouth, and customers appreciate that, right? As long as they're not doing it spammy. Now, as a vendor or an affiliate, you can provide significant value to customers, which keeps them buying through you. One way as an affiliate or a vendor is to offer bonuses, right? If you offer bonuses, people are more likely to feel that there's a value from making that purchase, and they're going to be happy to make that purchase through you. Now, there are pros and cons on both sides. And while there are some disadvantages to each side, the ideal path is to eventually become both a vendor and an affiliate. Though, if you are dead set against one or the other, that's fine, right? Both sides can do quite well independently. There's no requirement or anything. I've just seen a huge shift in this, where we see vendors promoting other people's products and then turn around and promoting another product of theirs and then promoting somebody else's product. So we've seen this. This helps increase their overall profits and helps them keep doing what they're doing, right? So this is kind of one of those things that if you're like, hey, I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with affiliate marketing, I only want to do X, Y, and Z for so long, maybe you become a vendor then, right? Or if you're a vendor and you're like, hey, I need to figure out how to add more revenue. First of all, you should tap into affiliates. And second of all, you should become an affiliate as well. Now let's talk about next steps depending on where you are at on your path. All right, so let's talk about affiliate marketing first. If you are brand new or newer to affiliate marketing, check out our free affiliate marketing course. The link is in the description. I'm also going to include links to other free training you can review for beginner affiliate marketers, right? Because I teach one way and lots of other people teach other ways. And I've got links to other people's free training as well. So I will include those in there. If you're seasoned at affiliate marketing, you can add on some high ticket affiliate marketing products if you haven't already. I've put a link in the description for a quick list of high ticket affiliate marketing products that do not require experience or purchase. So you can go straight into that, get the list, and start promoting those. Then consider becoming a vendor, right? And then let's talk about the vendor. So if you do not have a product, so there's basically a couple different levels here as a vendor. So if you're like, hey, I want to be a vendor, but I don't have a product, then check out John Thornhill's presentation. The link is in the description. It's a free presentation. Just take a look at it, see what he has to say. He talks more. I don't teach vendors how to become a vendor, not yet at least. He does, and it's a really good overview of it. If you have a product, so you have a product, but you're not really sure how to put everything together and start making sales, check out the One Funnel Away Challenge. Of course, the link is also in the description. Now, the One Funnel Away Challenge, I've been through this and it's amazing. You could technically do it as an affiliate and you can technically do it, if you don't have a product. But in my experience, I think the people who most benefit from the One Funnel Away Challenge are people who have an idea for a product or have some sort of, oh yes, this is kind of what I want to do, and maybe have started it a little bit. They have details on how to put together products. Don't get me wrong. It's just, I feel like the One Funnel Away Challenge, it's really, it's like a 30-day challenge, and you get a full funnel built and you start promoting it. And it's really hard to do if you have no idea where you're going to be at, right? So again, if you don't have a product, check out John's presentation. If you do have a product, but it's not complete, or you need help on putting everything together, check out the One Funnel Away Challenge. Now, if you do have a product and a funnel, and you need affiliates to promote your product, there are a lot of different ways that you can do this. But one thing that I would recommend to get started quickly is check out FunnelMates. And FunnelMates, and so I should go back for a second. If you don't have a checkout and a buy box and all that kind of stuff, you probably need to go through One Funnel Away Challenge. If you have all of that set up and you just really need to tap into affiliates, check out FunnelMates. It's a really cool, it's a funnel building software thing, but it doesn't have to be for your product. I mean, you might be able to use it for that, but it's really for tapping into other affiliates who are looking to promote products. You could have a funnel built or build a funnel inside of it just so that other affiliates can promote your product or promote an opt-in where you get all of the leads coming in from that. So it's really, really neat. So I would recommend you check that out. All right. So if you still have questions or you need more information, post your questions and inquiries below, or you can hop into the Facebook group and ask questions, and or you can join us on Thursdays for live Q&A. And if you liked this video and you like this kind of content, please hit that like button, help us spread the word and spread the video to more people. And we'd love to see you on Thursday or in the Facebook group. Thank you.